guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have some embellishments to share with you guys. I made some cute rosettes as well as some layered flowers. And of course, you guys know when I create something, I love to share with you guys. And I want to show you guys what I used, and yeah, let's get into it. So I made some pretty rosettes using the new Coco and Reno dies. If you guys don't know, I designed for Coco and Reno, and they are a new like metal die subscription club. I'm gonna have them linked down below so you guys check them out. But these are the dies for March and April. How pretty are these, you guys? And they cut so well. Look at these circles with the words, which I'll show you how I use them on my rosettes. This is the packaging. You get the cute little bag with the dies. And I'm going to show you. I have some right here already cut. This is what the words look like. And they're so perfect to put like over circles or like little circle embellishments, as well as these cute little doily die. That's the one that's right up here. This will be April's subscription, I think, package. So look at the other ones right there, you guys. So cute. Let me show you how I use them on my rosettes. So I'm definitely going to have them linked down below so you guys can check them out and go subscribe. It's like $12.99 a month. You get a die every month with a cute little bag. I think that's amazing. So this is the first rosette that I made. As you can see, I used a little heart one. And then I just cut out I have a circle die from AliExpress where I put the little stitch circle. And then in the back is the doily die. And then I have some like a 2-inch circle vellum. And then the rosette. The paper is Oh Darling from Crepe Paper. And I think it turned out cute. Sometimes I like to make my rosettes like this, like with a wide gap right here. I don't usually do that, but sometimes I want to, you know, do something different. And then there's this one, and this one says Happy. And we have the same thing going on, the same paper from Oh Darling. We have some vellum, the little doily die, the little circle stitch die, and then the other little word circle die. Didn't they turn out super cute, you guys? I love these. And this one I made a little bit smaller. It says thank you. I got a little ruined with some glue, but I'll take that off with some tweezers. That's not a problem. These are for me anyway. And then, you guys, last night I found, I think it's a Lori Whitlock SVG. I'll have it linked down below. And it's a layered flower. So I decided to use my Crepe Paper Oh Darling like paper pack that I had cut up and made these super cute flowers. And it's like, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 or 6 layers. Aren't they cute? And the little they move around because of course I used a brad, so you can move the little stems however you want. Super cute. That's those. And then I have some little ones here that I just I made plain. I didn't want to put like anything else. Make them a little smaller. And here's the other one. And that is what they look like. I kind of just like mixed it up, like some I put on top and the bottom. Same paper, but just different layering. But yeah, you guys, those are some cute little embellishments that I've made. I'm going to link down below the SVG file to create these flowers because they're adorable and you need to make them. Super cute. I'm going to link also, of course, Coco and Reno's dies. I lost my train of thought there for a second. Coco and Reno dies. What else? The Oh Darling paper pack, if you guys want to go check that out. I have a project in the works, you guys. I'll give you a little sneak peek. I cannot wait to share with you guys what this looks like. I actually used one of the little flowers that I made. But I'm still working on this. I need to figure out how I want to decorate it. And then of course I'll share it with you guys. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. It's a short one, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.